Welcome back to AI Insights Hub. I'm sure you're aware by now that people are making money using AI, and today's goal is to teach you how to do it for yourself. We're going to cover how you can start making money using these 5 special skills through ChatGPT. We have created a video that will revolutionize your understanding of making money in the digital age. Welcome to 5 Secret Ways to Make Money with ChatGPT, where we dive deep into the untapped potential of ChatGPT and how you can use it to make extra income. Let's begin. First, let's start by giving a brief explanation of what ChatGPT is and how it works. In case you're unaware, ChatGPT is a natural language processing model developed by OpenAI. It is based on the GPT or Generative Pre-trained Transformer architecture, specifically GPT 3.5, which is designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. ChatGPT is built to engage in text-based conversations with users and provide coherent and contextually relevant responses. ChatGPT has revolutionized various industries by enabling advanced natural language processing, enhancing productivity, and driving innovation through its powerful text generation capabilities. And today we want to explore how you can take advantage of this and get ahead of the game to start making your own money with the help of ChatGPT. Secret way number 1: developing and selling chatbots. In today's digital age, businesses are increasingly seeking automated solutions to enhance customer service, and chatbots are at the forefront of this revolution. Chatbots built with GPT can understand and respond to customer queries in a human-like manner, providing 24/7 service without human intervention. But how does this translate into a money-making opportunity? Well, by developing and selling these chatbots. Here's how it works. First, you need to develop your chatbot using ChatGPT. Developing a chatbot involves programming it to understand and respond to various prompts. With GPT, this process is simplified as the model has been trained on a vast amount of data, allowing it to generate human-like text based on the prompts it receives. Once developed, you can then sell these chatbots to businesses. Many companies, particularly those in customer service, e-commerce, and tech industries, are willing to pay a premium for quality chatbots. They recognize the value of providing instant, accurate responses to their customers, and a chatbot can do this effectively and efficiently. The potential for income here is significant. You can either sell your chatbot outright, or you can operate on a software as a service model, where businesses pay a recurring fee to use your chatbot. This can provide a steady stream of income. Developing and selling chatbots using ChatGPT is a great way to make money that leverages the growing demand for automated customer service solutions. With the right skills and marketing, you can tap into this lucrative market and start profiting right away. Secret way number 2: offering ChatGPT as a service. In addition to developing and selling chatbots, another secret way to make money with ChatGPT is by offering GPT as a service. GPT is an extremely powerful language model that can generate human-like text, making it a valuable tool for a wide range of applications. By leveraging GPT's capabilities, you can provide various services to businesses and individuals, earning a substantial income in the process. Here's how you can offer GPT as a service. Creative writing. ChatGPT can assist with creative writing tasks such as generating story ideas, writing scripts, or even crafting poetry. You can provide creative writing services to authors, marketers, and individuals looking for unique and compelling content. Language translation. ChatGPT's language capabilities make it suitable for language translation services. You can offer translation services for businesses and individuals who need accurate and efficient translation between different languages. Personal assistance. ChatGPT can be used to develop virtual personal assistants that can help users with tasks such as scheduling appointments, answering queries, and providing personalized recommendations. You can offer virtual assistant services to busy professionals or individuals who need support with managing their daily activities. Custom applications. ChatGPT can be integrated into custom applications to enhance their functionality. You can offer development services to create GPT-powered applications for businesses seeking innovative solutions in fields such as customer support, data analysis, and more. Secret way number 3: content generation for blogs, social media, etc. Now, number 3 can be used to grow your own social media following or to help a business or other individual grow their social media. One of the most time-consuming tasks for businesses and individuals is content generation for blogs, social media, and other platforms. This is where ChatGPT can come to the rescue. By leveraging its powerful language generation capabilities, you can create engaging and high-quality content in a matter of minutes. Using ChatGPT, you can generate blog posts, articles, social media captions, product descriptions, and much more. Simply input the topic or keywords and let GPT take care of the rest. It can generate content that is informative, creative, and tailored to your specific needs. This secret way offers numerous benefits. First, it saves you valuable time and resources that would otherwise be spent on researching and writing content. Second, it ensures consistency in your brand voice and messaging. Third, it enables you to meet the demands of regular content creation without compromising on quality. Furthermore, GPT can help you optimize your content for SEO by providing suggestions for keywords, headers, and meta descriptions. It can also generate catchy headlines that grab attention and increase click-through rates. Secret way number 4, creating personalized learning tools. With its ability to understand and generate human-like text, ChatGPT can be leveraged to develop interactive and engaging educational content. One way to utilize GPT for personalized learning is by creating virtual tutors. These tutors can provide customized explanations, answer questions, and guide students through various subjects. By understanding the individual needs and learning styles of students, GPT can adapt its responses and explanations accordingly. Additionally, GPT can be used to develop interactive quizzes and assessments. These assessments can adapt to each student's skill level, providing tailored questions and feedback. By analyzing the responses, GPT can identify areas of improvement and suggest targeted resources or practice exercises. Another application of GPT in personalized learning is in the creation of language learning tools. GPT can generate conversation simulations, allowing learners to practice their language skills in a realistic and immersive environment. It can also provide instant feedback and corrections, helping learners improve their pronunciation and grammar. Overall, by leveraging the capabilities of GPT-3, personalized learning tools can be created that cater to the unique needs and preferences of individual learners. This not only enhances the learning experience, but also increases retention and engagement. Secret way number 5, developing virtual assistants. Virtual assistants have become an integral part of our daily lives, providing us with convenient and efficient ways to manage tasks and access information. GPT can be harnessed to create highly intelligent and capable virtual assistants that can revolutionize the way we interact with technology. By leveraging GPT's natural language processing capabilities, virtual assistants can understand and respond to user queries in a conversational manner. They can provide personalized recommendations, answer questions, perform tasks, and even engage in small talk, making the user experience more interactive and engaging. Furthermore, GPT's ability to generate human-like text enables virtual assistants to communicate in a more empathetic and natural way. They can understand context, detect emotions, and tailor their responses accordingly, creating a more personalized and human-like interaction. Developing virtual assistants using GPT offers numerous benefits. They can save time and increase productivity by automating repetitive tasks and providing instant information. They can also ensure consistency in customer service by delivering accurate and standardized responses. Moreover, virtual assistants can be customized to suit specific industries and domains, such as healthcare, finance, or e-commerce. They can assist customers in making informed decisions, offer expert advice, and provide support and guidance in complex scenarios. Whether it's answering customer queries, managing tasks, or providing recommendations, virtual assistants can enhance efficiency, improve user experience, and revolutionize various industries. There you have it. We have unveiled 5 secret ways to make money with ChatGPT. With GPT-powered chatbots, you have the power to unlock a whole new realm of wealth-building potential. From personalized customer interactions to automated sales funnels, these little chat marvels are here to revolutionize the world and your bank account. So, buckle up and get ready to chat your way to financial success like never before. Remember, the future is here, and it's chatty, sassy, and oh so profitable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know if you like this type of content or how I can improve for future videos. Thank you, and until next time.